Thank you for purchasing the Braumm single-pole smart switch. Here's a quick video that will help you with the installation. If you are hesitant or uncomfortable with installing your Braumm Smart Switch, we recommend that you contact a licensed electrician. For this installation, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a needle nose pliers. A non-contact voltage tester can also be useful. It is important to note that we do not recommend installing this switch with a metal wall plate, because it will interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. It's also important to mention that this is a single pole switch. First, identify each wire on the switch. Green is the ground wire, white is the neutral wire, black is the hot or live wire, and red is the load wire. Before you start the installation, test the Wi-Fi signal by placing your phone next to the switch that you want to replace. The switch needs at least 2 bars of signal and will only work with the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. Next, locate the breaker box and turn off the corresponding breaker for the switch you will be replacing. Turn the switch on and off to make sure there is no power going to the switch. Next, remove the faceplate. The voltage tester can be used to ensure there is no voltage going to the switch. Or with the power still on, you can use it to identify the hot or live wire. You can also take a photo of the wiring to reference later. Now, remove the switch. On some switches, you may need a small screwdriver to insert into a slot to release the wires. Next, mark the hot wire with a piece of tape. Locate the neutral wire. If it is a multi-switch junction box, there will be multiple neutral wires. The neutral wire can sometimes be located behind the junction box. Now you are ready to connect your smart switch using the provided wire nuts. First, connect the ground or green wire to the green or bare copper wire. Then connect the black hot wire to the taped black wire. Connect the red load wire to the black untaped wire or red wire. Finally, connect the white neutral wire to the other white neutral wire. If there are multiple neutral wires, connect them all together with one wire nut. Double check to make sure all the wires are secure. Carefully push all the wires back into the junction box. Attach the smart switch to the junction box with the provided screws. Then install the wall plate. Installation steps for a single gang junction box is exactly the same. The smart switch does come with a single snap-on plate for single switch junction boxes. Turn the power to the switch back on at the breaker box. Then, test the switch by turning it on and off. To activate pairing mode, hold down the switch until the green light blinks rapidly. To complete pairing, download the Braumm app and follow the link in the description for pairing instructions. Once paired, use the Braumm app to test the smart switch. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your Braumm Smart Switch.